Hi there and welcome back. I'm here to do your creative studio unboxing. I'm not sure what month this is. I've had it for a couple of weeks, but obviously we've had Christmas and you know the new year. I was hoping that the children would do the unboxing, but when they came to visit, obviously with it being Christmas time, we had other things to do. So yeah, it's just me, unfortunately. Excuse me. Right, so I can't see what this says. He loved books. Oh, those understandings by faithful friends. Victor Hale, and then there's a pile of books there. So that might be a clue to what the theme is. So let's have a look. Okay. Ooh, my favourites. So we'll spread them out. Try not to get too involved looking at them. Ooh, these look good. I love it when there's papers and tickets. My favourites. Ooh, yeah, this is a nice one. Ooh, there's lots in here. Okay, and then that looks like some papers. So that's fabulous. And where shall we start? So these and these are you know, your creative studio, what they've designed, and these. And then these are just, you know, generic things. So shall we have a look at these first? So I don't know, I think it says 25 in here, and these look like you know, book pages. Oh, that's a bit that's nice. Yeah, so that can go in my Trash Tuesday bag. So yeah, we've got Alice in Wonderland, a dictionary, more Alice in Wonderland. So lots of different colours and fonts, and obviously different sizes. Yeah, very nice. So really handy for collage and, you know, making clusters and things like that. So we've got some recipes. And they've got this, you know, pretend tear, which when they're inked will look fab. You could use these as a journal card, you know, back it. So yeah, great. Do love lots of papers. I'm thinking this one's about the same. So there's, it feels like there's quite a lot in here. Can't see. Can see the size. No, I can't see. So we've got receipt type things, bits of, you know, bills, nice writing, really nice feeling paper, a lot different to that. This one's got a bit of like texture to it. Loving the variety of colours. It looks like we've got some different sizes towards the back. I don't know if there's two of everyone or if they're single. I've not seen two are the same. Yeah, oh, they're the same but different colour, so there might be two, but yeah, different colours. And then I've got some squares. Again, great for collage. These are good for doing clusters on. That could be your base. There must be, oh, I don't know, there's got to be well over 50 here. Yeah, fabulous. And then this size. Like blue. Yeah, I think there's probably about 60. So absolutely stacked. Shall put that in my Trash Tuesday bag as well. Then we've got some more papers. In here it says there's 60. Yeah, so I think there was about 60 in those, and these are in 4 different sizes. So again, lots of different colours and fragments of papers. They're just brown papers. Yeah, I like that there's a bit of a pop of colour in them. And then we've got that size. Oh, that's nice, folded up piece of paper. And then we've got some a bit bigger, and it looks like there's two of each one in this one. So that's that. So if you didn't have any papers, goodness, you'd definitely have some after this box. And these are all papers, none of them are stickers. Now these are stickers, and they're like book spines. Again, I can't see how many's in this one, sorry. Oh, 40 pieces, 20 designs, 40 pieces. Yep. And like I say, these are stickers. So I've got some green ones and blue ones. Oh, how to know wildflowers. These will be great with the Tim Holtz people. Got some a little bit thicker blue ones. Yeah, they're lovely. Oh, does that say Christmas? Yeah. Yeah, I love these. And say when you find old books, and they've got beautiful spines and beautiful covers, but yeah, there's something about the spine. I suppose that's, you know, when they're on a bookcase, that's what you see. Yeah, fab, they'll be great to play with. So that's those. Got another interesting bit. I love that, it's part of a envelope, so that can go in my trash bag. And then we've got some stamps. Let's have a look at these. And I'm guessing these are stickers. Don't think it says how many there is. Let's have a look. And I think these are paper. I don't think they're actual stickers, which is good, because I like some in paper. So we've got lots of different tickets. Nice selection of colours. So it looks like there's three of each. So there's 30 of those. So super. I did a video the other week with tickets. I do like playing with tickets. And then we've got some postage stamps, which are, there's 46 of them, and these are stickers. So I always found these very handy. So we've got some nice mushroom ones. So there's 2 of each. So another nice one to put in my trash. So I've got lots of mushrooms. Oh, I wonder if they're all mushrooms. Oh, nice. Yeah, I think they're all mushrooms. So yeah, two of each. Again, lots of different colours. That one's nice. I like that one too. Yeah, very nice. They're not shiny either. They've got a dull, a matte finish, which is nice. Oh, nice. That one, and then that one. So got lots of mushroom stamps, and then we've got these little piles of books. I normally save these and put them on my envelopes for when I'm sending orders out and Patreon. And we've got a cling stamp. Let's have a look at this. I did just do a video using all these up as well. Oh, we've got an owl at the top and a stack of books. I like that. And their stamps have got a lot of detail in, which I really like. So that's that one. And this one. Oh, crikey. What is that? Is it a desk? I don't know what that is. I suppose it's a bit like a frame, isn't it? You could put that across the top of a page. It's very unusual. I don't know. He's reading a book. She is. Yeah, that's very unusual. So that's that one. And another stamp. So 3 stamps. I think there's, yeah, I do think there's always 3 stamps. And we've got this little girl sitting reading a book. So that's the stamps in my trash bag. And then we've got some washi tape. Oh, that's nice. It's just really plain, you know, neutral, and it's like newsprint. So all different textures and stuff. So yeah, that'll come in handy. I like them when they're neutral. You get more use out of them. Very Tim Holtzy. So that's the washi tape. Let me try and get this off without ripping it. Oh, I ripped it a little bit. But that won't matter if I do the same thing as I did last time. So I've got some tissue paper for doing decoupage. I mean, you could do 2 decent size tags with a piece, just 1 piece. So I think is there 4? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 4. Oh, 4, 5. Oh, there must be 6. Maybe there isn't. Maybe there's 5. Yeah, 5. 5 pieces of this lovely tissue with all the books on there. And then we've got some papers. So there's 24 sheets, 6 of them are stickers, 6 vellum, 6 art paper and 6 pattern paper. And these are 12 by 21 centimetres. So got nice packaging. So I'm guessing they're the pages. Oh, that's nice wallpaper and books. So you can make a folio with these and have these as your backdrop. So I might make a folio with these. So there. Oh, they're the stickers. Yeah, I'm gonna say because they feel a bit thicker. Love that green. And then these are really textured. They're very nice. So they'd be nicer for, you know, making journal cards and tags and pockets with. So yes, I will come back and do. And then we've got the same in the vellum. So that is fabulous, and I love the colours. Look at that, you've got the rusts and browns going into a bit of peachy, and then the green and yellow. Yeah, very nice colours. So that is, sorry if I just knocked the camera. So that's the papers, and then we've got this little sticky note pad, which is like library card. Well, it's in the front of your book, isn't it? Which I really like that, and they will come in handy. So I don't know how many is in there. About 40, I would say. So they are sticky notes, but obviously you can back them, make them into journal cards and things like that. So yeah, love those. So that is the box from Your Creative Studio. Another fabulous box. I love how it's neutral, so it, you know, it suits a lot of people. So thank you very much for joining me, and I will come back another day and do a project, definitely with the papers. So see you soon. Bye for now.